I'm so excited. And so needless to say, my life looks completely different than it did 2 years ago. Hey guys, I'm back. The last video I filmed and uploaded was in January of 2021. I cannot believe it has been 2 years, but I am so happy to be back. And so for those who don't know, I did take a hiatus from YouTube for a couple of years. It was not intentional. Life was just crazy. So just a quick recap for those who don't know, I do videos and tutorials on natural hair care. And during this process of YouTube, I became a certified foster parent. And so I was fostering, and then COVID and crazy. So I'm gonna catch you all back up as quickly as possible to let you know what has been going on these 2 years and what the future looks like. So let's recap. So we left off in January. I still had my 2 foster littles, and we were shopping, getting ready for a big move, and a winter storm hit us in February. It was crazy. We had no power for a week. We were exhausted. Our bodies were just tired. And then after this time too, my hair started falling out in clumps. I was really stressed taking care of 2 little girls and partnering with, CPS and the Bio family and making sure they get all of their services, because this was also during the time of COVID. And so everything happened in home virtually. So I never got a break. And so like I said, my hair was falling out in clumps, could not figure out why. I don't think I ever had COVID. Nothing like that. It just was literally coming out in clumps. And so also during this time, we made a big purchase. My littles and I bought my first home. And I say my littles and I because my first little was with me. She helped me pick out the lot and the floor plan. She had her room picked out over here. And of course it was a process, so it took a while to build this home. And by the time it was time for her to go home, the house was actually built. So she got to see the plan laid out, nothing in it. And so she was reunited. While we were sad to see her go, we were so happy that she was back with her family. So that left me to 1 little. And we just were going through the rest of our year prepping to move into our home. We waited until the summer to move in our home so we could set it up and really just have time to do it like we wanted. And the week we moved in, I got a phone call about a foster placement that was supposed to just be an emergency. And the one thing I always said was I didn't want babies and I didn't want boys, because I am a single foster parent and babies could be a lot. And I just really feel like a little boy needs a man in the home. So I never got little boys, even up to 5. I just was like, no, they need a man. Well, we get a call and it's a baby boy. He was 6 weeks old, 4 pounds, and something said, you're off for the summer, you're a teacher, you got all summer, just do it. And so we said yes. I was under the impression that it would just be for a little while they found family or a family friend who would be willing to take him. And that didn't happen. So as we rolled into the school year, I also accepted a new position at work. I still had the same job, but I had duties packed on top of that. So I was a little overwhelmed to begin the school year, and so YouTube was like on the back burner. So I'm navigating life back with 2 littles, and my second little did leave. She was adopted by another family, and after a year, I just did not know what to do without her. We miss her so much, but we are so happy for her to have this new journey in her life. And so again, I'm left with 1 little, and I did not take in any more during this time because an infant is hard work, y'all. And I have babysitted, I have worked in daycares, but having a child of your own in your home, starting from 6 weeks old and working a full-time job, so I was definitely too tired to take on another child. So then we fast forward to November. So like the title said, I have big news. I am back, but I'm not only back just as the regular old me, I am back as a mom. So I adopted my son, my foster son. I ended up adopting him, and we were so excited to bring him into our family. He has been family from the day he was brought into our home, but he's officially family. He's officially a Logan, and so I'm so excited. And so needless to say, my life looks completely different than it did 2 years ago. I'm a homeowner, I'm a mom, I am taking on different positions at work, so life is crazy, y'all. I'm definitely happy to be back, but I'm back in a different way. I am now navigating life with an almost 2-year-old, and so sit down videos like this are hard to come by, tutorials are hard to come by, so my channel is taking a little turn. While it's still about natural hair and there will be tutorials, there are also going to be plenty of vlogs, plenty of moments with my son, plenty of just everything, because so many different things are going on in my life. I'm talking more about my foster care journey, my adoption journey, just life with us day to day, and just how we're navigating. So now my home is closed for fosters right now, and that is just because with the adoption process, there's just a lot of stuff that goes into that, and I really wanted time to just continue to bond with my son and just take a break from all things fostering, because there's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that people do not know. Now it's time to get myself back together. My child is now more independent, and I'm getting this mom thing down, so I'm super excited for what the future holds. So y'all make sure y'all tune in every week for a new video. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.